We exist in a light-mind organism producing living oil, allowed to drive our conscious vehicles at high speeds. Invest in the real future to access imagination pipelines. Keep checkpoints on track to process your dreams. Career crystals slide safe on rails of reputation. Rich loving days, a perfect weather all the time. Fun soul kisses, business products branded in infinity. Soul charity and creativity allows the heart to shine. Enjoy free education and lifetime peaks evaluations. Repair your soul connections with memories returned. Reality amplification comes from God-trust equations. Positive imagination substances push light creation goals. Time travel missions ensure physical destiny outcomes. Meeting again, we recognize each other under the divine plan. All hellos and goodbyes, all rituals performed with kindness. In a continuum of joy, we are the highest version of ourselves. Hey, my name is Charles Verradija, and I invite you to watch more of my artistic videos. Please press subscribe.